Just look at this, guys. How lovely. My hands are freezing. It's so cold. So this is the outfit for going to the store in all of its glory. I just got this sweater for Christmas, and I also got this hat recently because I needed some new clothes. And I'm also wearing thermals under this. I actually wear thermals to work every day too under my uniform. And if you don't have a pair of thermals, get one because they're so useful. Unless you live somewhere warm like Florida or Arizona. I'm so jealous of you. Anyways, we have to go to the store because it closes in like 30 minutes. And the storm is supposed to start at 2 a.m. It's currently almost 11 p.m. Anyways, we gotta go. You guys like my new wallet? She's so pretty. The snow is officially here. The ground's getting like fully covered now. And I just barely made it out 5 minutes before closing. Oh my goodness, it's so cold. Time for a grocery haul. So in this bag, we have some cottage cheese, ground beef, and then of course we have some steak. I'm actually gonna divvy these up for meal prep, sweet potatoes, and we have a candle just in case everything goes south, and raspberries because it's my favorite fruit. It's currently 1:30 in the morning and I'm exhausted. I stayed up later than I should have. Anyways, I'm bundled up in my robe right now and I'm gonna sleep in this because it's really cold. And it's also just in case the power goes out in the middle of the night. Anyways, good night. See you in the morning. Good morning, everybody. It's kind of chilly in my room right now, so I'm glad that I slept in this robe. I'm actually super warm now. Don't I look beautiful, guys, with my beach towel turban? Do you guys hear that? These neighbors, these next door neighbors of mine have a bad habit of playing music really loud, so I have something. This ought to do the trick. I need to take the trash out, so we gotta go get our snow boots and get bundled up because it's freezing outside. I haven't checked outside the window in a while to see what the snow's looking like. Let's take a look. Oh my goodness, look at all of that snow. It's like a huge brick on that car. And it's still going. Oh my God. You guys. Oh my God. It's so quiet outside too. What the freak? I feel like I'm playing an episode of The Long Dark. Oh my gosh. It's so freaking cold outside. I don't even know if I can see where the steps are. Please don't fall. It doesn't look like a plow's been through here. It looks like cars have been just driving on it anyway. There's mine. Oh my gosh. This is so much snow. All right, let's see if I can make it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, well, that sucks. Okay. Oh, it's just so freaking cold. So we bought these and they look like wood, but we found out it's actually metal. We're gonna use these like cabinets and we're gonna put all of our stuff in here, but I'm gonna go through and thoroughly organize it.
Oh, honey, bunny, sugar, white color, white color, white color, white. Oh, honey, bunny, sugar,
So that that took a lot longer than I thought. It's getting closer to midnight. I'm gonna go quickly and check outside to see what the snow is looking like, and then I'm gonna make myself a midnight steak because I'm hungry. Anyways, let's go check and see how much snow there is now. Okay, well, it's officially stopped snowing, which is good, I guess, but everything is still completely covered. These are my favorite pajamas, and I actually don't like red usually. Red is my least favorite color, but these pajamas look so cute. Or, you know, I just look fantastic. It's the next day, and it's not looking great out there. They haven't plowed, people are pushing their cars out. Everything is so slippery. I don't know how I'm gonna make it to work in the next couple days if they don't get a plow out here. I think that's it for the video. I'll update you guys if anything crazy happens, but I doubt it. I mean, it's just a winter storm. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, because as soon as I reach 10,000 subscribers, I'm gonna go hang gliding for you guys. And comment down below where I should go hang gliding, because I haven't decided on a location yet. Remember that self-love is half learned and half earned, so make sure to learn to love yourself from the tip of your nose to the tip of your toes. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!